One more time. This is a light and sound check for Cave Wave. Let me see. Got some meters. I think I got some good levels going on this time. Last time was a little quiet. This is my desk camera. This is the desktop. This is me and the desktop. That's the performance camera. This is me looking at Ableton, and I'm going to start a drum beat. And I'm going to play some instruments. This is the Model D. This is the bass station. Hydrasynth. And the Prophet Rev 2. Yes, indeed. Okay, and back to the desk. And once again, let me know if you hear of any issues. Leave me some ideas of where to start with this, and I'll talk to you guys later.